Introducing the Redline Elite Package, the ultimate bundle to take your CNC game to the next level. It includes the Elite Foreman CNC with the brand new Redline Controller. A powerful, feature-packed controller with all the functionality you need to get the most out of your machine. And for a limited time, we're bundling it with a Redline 80mm spindle kit, either 1.5 or 2.2 kilowatts, your choice. Our 3-axis touch probe, the new Suckit SM Dust boot, a tool setter, and a Stiffy rail. All for an introductory price of just $3,475. Wait, what? Hey boss, it's Morgan. The video guy? Yes, I still work here. Okay, anyway, I'm working on this video for the Redline Elite package, and I just want to make sure this price is right. $34.75, is that right? You sure? Okay. All right, love you too. Yep, that's right. $34.75 for all of this. And remember, this is a limited time offer while supplies last. Once they're gone, they're gone. So act fast and good luck.